Welcome, everyone. Thank you for showing up for my Gilded Sphere Box presentation. This is going to be a lot of fun. What I've got in mind here today is I'm going to show you my sphere turning technique. And that can be, the first thing we're going to do is a solid sphere. So just a plain sphere, and I'll show you how to do a quick, any size sphere without using an actual sphere jig, using a jam chuck jig that you can make yourself. And then I'm going to show you how to make a sphere box. And this is a sphere that opens up, and this is not gilded, it is prepped for gilding. But I wanted to show you this one now because see those magnets there. If the magnets are engaged, the lid does not fall off. Rotate it so they're not engaged and the lid comes off easily. I'm going to gild the inside of my sphere box, so I'm going to show you a few gilding techniques. Real gold, 24 karat here with a product called Instacoal from Kohlner, which gives a beautiful, brilliant gild. And then I'm going to use another slightly easier way. This is what they call composition metal leaf. This is a variegated leaf. I'm also going to use chameleon flakes. And you can kind of see the color shift. You can see the color shift actually better in this picture. This is done with a technique like gilding. And we're going to also do some of that on the inside with ethereal flakes and mica powder and chameleon powders and such. So it's a similar technique to the gilding. A little bit of background here. You probably know me for my lidded vessels with finials. And I like to do other stuff too. One of the things I like to do is gilding on my vessels. On the inside, showing the texture of the burl. And that can be done on a sphere box also. This one has a lot of gold on the whole inside of an 8-inch hollow form. Banksia pods gilded on the inside. Beautiful. And when you look through the holes, you can see it light up. So I'm going to make a sphere box today as a way to show the making of a sphere box, but also to show gilding on the inside of a concave compound surface. So this is something that it would be like gilding the inside of one of my hollow vessels or something like that. So there's a plan for this box, and then there's a step-by-step written directions and some other things, including links for all the stuff I'm using today. There they are. That was a lot of fun, wasn't it? There's that box, all magneted together. I hope you're inspired to try spheres and sphere boxes and gilding most especially. Chameleon powders and flakes and ethereals and mica powders and real gold and other things. It's a lot of fun, and it really can add some embellishment to your turnings.